Welcome guys. If you want to change your profile picture or the avatar on PS5, at the first you have to grab your controller and then move to the right upper corner on this picture of your profile, then enter, move for the profile. Right now we have to go for the edit profile and then go for the profile picture, for example, and here where you go on this option you are able to scan the picture and then upload this picture from the website. But also we can go for the avatar when you can take one of the following picture. By R1 you can also change the type of it from family to fighting or items, whatever you want. And for example we can set up this one, and right now when you go back you can see that our profile picture has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.